The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor has fostered a new development model to the international community, said a Pakistani expert. The CPEC, launched in 2013, is a flagship project of the China-proposed Belt and Road Initiative. It's a corridor linking the Gwadar port in southwestern Pakistan with Kashgar in northwest China, which highlights energy, transport, and industrial cooperation.
I think first and foremost, what we need to see is that CPEC has given a new development model to the global community, basically. The Chinese government comes in not just with their technical expertise, with their financial model, but also with human expertise, which sort of work with local human resource in developing countries, give them the right kind of capacity until the time the projects are installed, and then of course moves out so that the locals can continue and operate those projects. Now what is happening over here is that what CPEC has also demonstrated is that one is the direct employment which these projects have created, which create employment several times over. So whenever people come up to me and try to put a number to the employment figure which CPEC projects have actually created, I would actually argue otherwise, that it is hard to calculate a number at one point in time, because a power sector project would have far-reaching impacts than just the direct number of jobs it has created, because power sector has rendered a service to textile, to automobile, to cement, to construction, and therein created further rounds of jobs. So that's one part of the benefit which we are seeing in case of CPEC.